How to use promo code in Clash of Clans. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and in today's video we will learn how we can use promo code in Clash of Clans. So without further delay, let's get started. So in order to redeem promo codes in Clash of Clans, you will need to use the Supercell website. You can access the website through a browser or in the game Super ID Cell menu. Then you can enter your code and claim your reward. For that, first of all, access the Supercell ID website. You can directly go to id.supercell.com. After that, you have to log in into your Supercell ID. Once you're logged in, now find the reward section. Under the Supercell ID website, navigate to the section where you can enter the promo code or claim rewards. After that, carefully enter the promo codes that you have, then click on claim or similar button to redeem the promo code and receive your in-game rewards. After that, you can check in-game. Now open Clash of Clans to see if your rewards have been added to your village or not. So that's the way to use promo codes in Clash of Clans through the Supercell ID website. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.